Hello, bright friends. Today I will draw Bluey with a girl penguin, waddling with charm, her steps tiny but full of warmth. While the picture slowly appears line by line, I'll share a tale that sparkles with fun and shine. But before the story waddles in, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel, so more magical journeys can begin. Bluey was walking near a pond, the water smooth like glass under the sun. She dipped her paw, watching little ripples spread wide, when a gentle sound caught her ear. A soft chirp, shy but sweet. From behind a rock waddled a penguin, her black and white feathers sleek, and a small pink bow tied neatly on her head. She moved slowly, each step tiny, but her eyes gleamed with curiosity. "Hello," Bluey called, wagging her tail. The penguin tilted her head, then waddled closer, her flippers flapping lightly as if waving hello back. "Can you flap your arms like penguin wings?" Bluey asked you with a grin. Together, Bluey and the penguin played near the water. They splashed at the edge, sending cool drops into the air. The penguin twirled, her reflection shimmering in the pond, and Bluey copied her with little hops. "Let's dance together," Bluey cheered. The penguin giggled with a cheerful chirp and waddled in circles, her bow bouncing with each step. Bluey spun too, tails and laughter filling the air. Suddenly, the penguin slipped on the wet ground, sliding forward on her belly with a tiny squeak. Bluey gasped, then laughed as the penguin looked up smiling. "That was fun," the penguin chirped proudly. Bluey joined in, sliding carefully across the smooth ground beside her new friend. They slid, splashed, and giggled until both were tired but happy. Sitting by the water's edge, Bluey whispered, "You may be small, but you're full of joy." The penguin leaned against her softly, warm despite the cool feathers. The sun painted the sky with gentle gold, wrapping them in peace. "Close your eyes," Bluey said warmly, "and imagine sliding with us on the pond too. Dream sweet dreams, soft and true. Friendship shines in all you do. Side by side, both near and far, hearts can glow just like a star."